Day 106, 2023. Today, I'm going to just have a quick summary of my busy day today. I got up very early morning to work on a WordPress web page for our District 30 Toastmasters because they needed some extra help from me, and they asked me to do it yesterday, but I wasn't able to, so I tried to work on it this morning, and luckily I was able to quickly get it done. Then I immediately jumped into my English class. It's a weekly review class, and I didn't even finish the class. I had to cook lunch for my family because my daughter, today was my daughter's last play, and The Beauty and the Beast. So it's around noon, so we had to leave the house early. And then after the show, by the way, the show was just so amazing. Everyone who went to the show was so amazed, and so many strangers came to me if they knew my daughter was my daughter. Then they came to me to congratulate me, and I was just so proud of the whole cast. Everyone did such a great job. To tell you, I know I'm biased because I'm one of the parents, but yesterday when I was watching it the third time, I got so emotional and I got tears, and I wiped my teary eyes with my hands with sunscreens on. So when I woke up this morning, both my eyes were swollen. You can see how well they performed, and just so great, so touching. I seriously feel like the quality of their performance and this show, this production, is comparable to the Broadway shows. The reason is because I've been to some Broadway shows before, and I went to New York. And seriously, I just wish there were more people there and watching the show. And I wish they were seen by a larger audience. Even though today there were many people, like double the size of the audience. Perhaps it's because it's during the day and it's also Sunday. Anyway, it's a great success. I'm just so proud of them. One side of me is feel relieved for them, and also as a parent, we don't need to be so busy every weekend anymore. At the same time, I feel a little bit sad because such a great production, and now it's closed and it's over. Of course, the experience that the kids gained from it is priceless, for sure. Also, after the show, I immediately went to another meeting because our Chinese school in my neighborhood, the board members invited me to run for the next election for the board member. They saw how much I care about the community. They really hope I can participate and contribute and serve. And although there will be an election, to be honest, I don't really care if I will win election. If there are better candidates to serve the role, I'm more than happy to just step back to support them. So anyway, after that, and then I had to pick up my daughter and my husband from my husband's ex-wife's family because I left them there after the show. Then after I come back, I had to work on some presentations and some files for tomorrow's morning meetings at work. So here I am, it's almost midnight. So I'm giving this one shot, this video. I hope it goes well. I didn't really have a profound thoughts to share. It's just my busy day. And of course, any meanings can be interpreted from any of the instance. So wish you a great week next week, and I hope you had a great weekend.